What if you could turn your Instagram page into a money-making machine with just AI tools in 30 minutes a day? That's what I did. I made $500 in just 3 days using a fully AI-powered Instagram setup. No paid ads, no influencer deals, no endless scrolling. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, the tools I used, how I created the content, and how I monetized it, all on autopilot. Stick around because later, I'll show you how this same system can fuel your email list and Faceless YouTube channel too. When I first started this experiment, I wasn't expecting much. I figured AI would help a little with captions or ideas, but I didn't think it could actually run an entire page. But once I saw the early engagement numbers rising before I even posted my 4th piece of content, I realized I had stumbled into something far more powerful than a normal social strategy. Before we jump in, let me say this. I'm not a social media guru. I didn't have a big following. I didn't post every hour. The reason this worked is because I let AI handle the parts that humans usually burn out doing. Brainstorming, writing, designing, scheduling. Once those pieces clicked into place, everything started moving fast. Like way faster than I expected. And what shocked me the most was how predictable the results became. Once you automate your content flow, the algorithm stops being this mysterious enemy and starts working with you. Just wait until I show you how I got my first 200 followers without even trying. And here's something that'll make more sense as you watch. The money didn't come from Instagram itself. It came from what Instagram sent people to. There's a strategic twist to this that most creators miss, but I'll show you exactly how to use it. Alright, let's start with why AI makes Instagram easier and smarter. If you're trying to grow a page today, you're up against an algorithm that changes weekly, and that's where AI gives you the edge. I use tools like WriteSonic and Writer to instantly generate high engagement captions, post ideas based on trending keywords, even call to actions optimized for clicks. AI doesn't just save you time, it actually improves your content quality, makes you more consistent, and gives you a competitive edge, especially when paired with stunning visuals from Canva. And Canva's not just for design, it now has Magic Write, which gives you smart text ideas right inside your design workflow. One trick that helped massively was asking AI to mimic the writing style of pages that already perform well. You can literally paste a caption from a successful competitor into WriteSonic and say, "Write 5 similar captions with this tone." And boom, you get brand-ready text in seconds. It's like skipping the trial and error phase that slows most people down. Another subtle growth hack: have AI generate 10 variations of the same caption. Then rotate them across reels, carousels, and stories. Instagram rewards consistency in messaging, and AI makes that easy without sounding repetitive. And the best part? AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't run out of ideas. You can generate a full month of content in a single afternoon, if you know how to prompt it right. I'll show you my exact prompting formula later in the video. First things first, let's talk about setting up your Instagram page, the AI way. First, choose a clear niche. AI can help you brainstorm here too. I had ChatGPT and WriteSonic generate 20+ profitable niches in under a minute. Then I used WriteSonic to craft a killer bio that spoke directly to my audience, and Canva to create a profile picture and branded highlights. For content, I grabbed free visuals from Unsplash and edited them in Canva. Then I used AI to write carousels, tips, hooks, and captions, all batch created in a single afternoon. One big hack here is using Canva's Styles feature to instantly apply a consistent color palette and font set across all posts. This is how small pages suddenly look like established brands. People trust a clean, cohesive visual identity, and AI makes creating one ridiculously easy. Another tip is to use ChatGPT to brainstorm 30 to 50 micro topics in your niche. This gives you enough content ideas to last weeks. When you remove the pressure of "what do I post today?", you end up posting way more consistently. And consistency is the fuel of Instagram growth. And here's something crucial. Decide early what emotion your page represents. Motivational, educational, peaceful, aesthetic. Bold. AI writes better when it understands your brand voice, and your audience connects more deeply when every post feels like it comes from the same personality. Next, we're tackling content strategy that converts. Your content should do 3 things: educate, entertain, and get clicks. Here's my system. Day 1, educational carousels, AI-generated text plus Canva design. Day 2, reels using trending sounds plus captions from writer. Day 3, story polls or quick tips to boost engagement. I tracked all of this using Notion and planned posts 2 weeks out in advance. The more consistent your content, the faster your growth. AI removes the guesswork. This schedule works because it mixes reach content with trust content. Reels get you new eyeballs, carousels build authority, and stories build connection. AI helps you batch each type so you're never scrambling last minute. And here's the secret sauce. Every third post had a soft call to action, not a spammy one. Just a subtle nudge like, want the full guide? It's free in my bio. People don't like being sold to, but they love being helped. When your content teaches something valuable, people naturally click through. Also, always include a "save this for later" line in your educational posts. Saves are one of the strongest signals Instagram uses to boost reach. AI can generate these CTAs for you in dozens of variations, so you never repeat yourself. You can also use Tube Magic to brainstorm hook variations for your carousels. It's originally designed for YouTube, but its title generation feature works incredibly well for Instagram too. If you've ever been stuck on the perfect opening slide, this tool is a cheat code. Next up, let's dive into monetizing your Instagram in 3 days. Once I had 500 plus followers, I added affiliate links using a link in bio tool like Beacons. But here's the secret. I created a free downloadable ebook using WriteSonic plus Canva. Inside the ebook, natural product mentions with my affiliate links. And since people were already loving my posts, many downloaded the ebook and clicked the links. That's how I made my first $500. The psychology behind this is simple. People trust free value. When someone downloads your freebie and sees how helpful it is, clicking an affiliate link feels natural, not forced. And if your niche matches your product recommendations, conversions happen automatically. Another tip is to use Scribble to format your ebook into a more professional layout. You can even export multiple versions: a mobile-friendly edition, a printable version, and a shorter, quick start version. More formats equals more people reading it, equals more affiliate conversions. And here's the kicker. Instagram isn't even the best part of this system. The real money comes from the email list your ebook builds. Once people sign up, you can send future value, future recommendations, future digital products, and AI can automate 90% of that too. All right, now for the tools I promoted and still use. I wrote this ebook in WriteSonic in under 30 minutes. It's my favorite tool for social content too. Canva made the entire Instagram brand kit from posts to story templates. Total time saver. Want a digital product without Amazon? I use Scribble to format my ebook and PayHip to sell it for 90% plus profits. And seriously, if there's one tool you should master first, it's Canva. I built every post, every carousel, every highlight cover, and even my ebook mock-up inside Canva. It's like having a full design team built into your laptop. If you want to take things to the next level, combine Canva with ChatGPT by exporting your brand tone and color palette as a style guide. Then ask AI to write captions that match that identity. This makes your entire page feel cohesive. Even at small follower counts. You're gonna love this part. You can skip Instagram altogether. What if I told you this entire strategy works even better on Pinterest, TikTok, or faceless YouTube channels? You're not tied to showing your face. In fact, the best part is, you can repurpose the same content across all platforms. Let me know in the comments and I can make a video where I'll show you how in another video. But before that, and here's the funny thing, some of my repurposed content actually outperformed the original Instagram posts. One carousel I turned into a YouTube short hit 20,000 views in 24 hours. Same content, new platform, more reach. AI makes that possible in minutes. This is why I always say, don't rely on a single platform. Once AI helps you build one content asset, squeeze every ounce of value from it. A single post can become 5 different pieces of content across 5 platforms. Let's unlock the next secret: AI for analytics and optimization. Don't just post, track what works. I use Instagram Insights to track reach and saves. Later, to optimize posting times. ChatGPT to summarize weekly analytics into action steps. This is how you avoid wasting time and double down on what grows your account faster. A great trick is to feed your weekly analytics into ChatGPT and ask, "What patterns do you see?" You'll be shocked at how well AI detects what types of posts your audience responds to. Sometimes it'll tell you your nighttime posts do better. Sometimes it'll say your tips posts outperform your quotes. Little insights like these multiply growth. Look for 2 numbers especially: saves and link clicks. When those rise together, it means your audience trusts you enough to take action. And that's where the revenue snowballs. And here's one last retention hook before we wrap up. Your analytics don't just tell you what works. They tell you what to sell next. That's how I found the idea for my second ebook, which ended up outperforming the first. If this helped, hit subscribe. Because next, I'm showing you how AI wrote my entire ebook in just 1 day, and how I got it published on Amazon with 0 experience. That video breaks down the exact prompts, tools, and pricing strategy I used, so if you've ever wanted your own Amazon ebook, that's the one to watch. See you there. Start your next piece of content today. You're closer to $500 than you think.